This is a two-way remote start on an '08 Nissan Armada. It's going to confirm back and let us know that it actually started. So I'm going to push the button here for about 3 seconds. That beep that you heard is letting us know that it heard us, and it's going to make sure everything's okay and start the vehicle and send the signal back and let us know that it actually started. This is a one-way remote start on an '08 Chevy Silverado, and we're going to start the car, and the way we know it works is because we can see the parking lights on the vehicle turn on.